It is 11 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and get us going. And I am going to start the presentation here, welcoming you to our open house. It is, well, I am Debbie Duncan with Coldwell Banker Capital Gateway, and I'll be hosting today with the help of a couple of my co-workers and fellow realtors, Terry Conley, who will be doing the video, and Chris Beck, who will be moderating and fielding all your questions. And my special guest today is Debbie Sunley, who is a senior loan officer and works with Mason McDuffie Mortgage. Debbie's going to be sharing information about loans and answering any financing questions. This property is listed for $438,000. It is at 349 Elder Street in Vacaville. It is located on the north side of town, close to Jepson Middle School and Vaca High School, as well as all the downtown activities. Some of the features of the home are that it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's about 1,202 square feet. It has the open concept, a single-car garage that is located down a long driveway for lots of off-street parking. And it has a new electrical panel, and the seller has a roof certification and has been told that the roof is only 2 or 3 years old. Here's a picture of the front of the house. And now we're, oops, one too many, sorry about that. This is the front. And now we're gonna go to Terry, who's out front of the house now.
Thanks, Debbie. As you can see, the seller has done nice new landscaping. It's freshly been painted on the exterior. There's a brand new front door, and it has a super long driveway that leads back to the 1-car garage.
We'll go on to the living room now. And the seller has created the open concept living, installed new baseboards and door trim, new interior doors. He's removed a wall heater and replaced it with a new HVAC system. Terry, can you show us a little bit around there?
Yes, as I've entered the front door, as you can see the fresh paint, there's a nice ceiling fan that will add to your comfort. And there's a door to the left that leads to a bedroom. And a very spacious open concept floor plan with the nice laminate flooring.
Anybody have anything they want to see closer in that room?
Terry, I have a question. That when you span to the right, was that a little cutout area there to the right of the door? That's a little cutout area? Perfect little place for TV?
Yeah, that would be a great place for a TV or a buffet or something like that.
Cute. Perfect. Thank you, Terry. Good shot.
And now we go to the garage. The kitchen. And in the kitchen, we have new kitchen cabinets with soft closed drawers, quartz countertops, and a herringbone tiled backsplash. A new kitchen island. And back to Terry.
Yes, as Debbie said, it's been beautifully remodeled. We have black stainless steel appliances, canned lighting, pendant lights over the island, and a beautiful eat-in kitchen. And there's room to have bar stools at the island as well. There's a door off of the kitchen that leads to the laundry room, and then you also have access to the backyard.
Terry, can you go back on that island on the other side? Is there storage on the other side of the island?
Yes, Chris, there's a lot. There's several drawers and a cabinet. It's a great storage space. There's lots of storage in this house. And here's a view looking out into the living space.
Thank you, Terry.
And this is the laundry room that is right off the kitchen. And it does have the cabinets plus the sink there. Going out to the backyard, we have a new Trex deck and patio cover. The gate to the left, attached to the garage, that fence and gate is new. And I'm going to have Terry pan the backyard for us.
Yes, as you can see, it's a spacious backyard. There's some grass, an overhead covered space, a wood deck, and there's a door to the one-car garage that does have some built-in cabinets. And I'll head over to the side of the house. You can see the side, and that's where the new air conditioner is located. And it is a great space for storage or whatever you would need.
Thank you for showing me the air conditioner, Terry. Looks so
Sure.
newer.
Yes, it does look newer.
Okay.
And here's another view of the deck. It's a great space for entertaining.
Okay, let's go back in, and we're going to see the bedroom that when you walked into the living room, this is right outside the living room. The other two bedrooms are located on the other side of the house. The bedroom has new carpet, and it's very roomy with the nice sitting area there. And Sherry, or Terry, you want to show us the closets there?
Yes. As Debbie said, it is quite spacious. It has overhead lighting, fresh paint, new carpet, and a great little sitting area with mirrored closet doors, double mirrored closet doors. The ceilings are high and there is no popcorn.
Terry, can I ask you another favor? Can you open that closet for me? Because I know closets are really important for storage. Can you go back and open that mirror closet for me, please?
Sure, I can. Here you go. Like I said, it's mirrored closet doors, and it has ample space for a secondary bedroom.
Thank you.
When you come out on the other side of the living room, you have the new cabinets that have been installed for your linen closets. And again, they've repeated the pattern in the kitchen of the herringbone tiled back wall. Then you go into the master bedroom here, and you can see that there's two closets there. And I'm going to have Terry give you a better view of that.
Here, Debbie's the master bedroom that features a ceiling fan that has lighting. Plus, it's huge. You could have a sitting area in here as well with overhead lighting. There's two closets, a single closet here, and then you also have a closet on the other side that's a mirrored double slider. Fresh new paint, and the carpet's brand new as well.
Okay, and here's a look of the master bathroom where they've added a shower and pretty much new everything. And I'm going to have Terry give you a look of what we can't see in the picture there.
Yes, the master bath has been totally redone. You have new lighting, a new vanity, and great antique brushed faucets. And here's the stand-up shower and great laminate flooring in it, the wood look laminate flooring. Super cute.
Terry, on your way out of that master, can you, again, and I'm so sorry, I keep asking because closets are so important to me. Can you just go into the mirrored closet for me? At least show me the size of that one, if you wouldn't mind.
Sure, Chris. Here's the double mirror. And you can step in, and it's great space. And it also has been freshly painted.
Okay, we're gonna head to the final bedroom here as Terry comes down there. It does have new carpet. It is a fairly good sized bedroom also. The other two rooms were very large. This one is a little smaller than the other two, but still ample space for a bedroom. Terry.
I'll start here. It does have a very large window that brings in a lot of light. It has a single closet in here, perfect for a kid's room.
Okay, and let's see the last bathroom there. This bathroom has also been renovated. It does have a spa tub, and the tiled walls were recently done, as well as the vanity. And back to Terry.
Here, I'll just give you a closer look at all the new fixtures. The lighting fixtures has a great tile surround around the bathroom. And as Debbie said, a spa tub. Also the same flooring in this bathroom, which looks really nice and fresh and clean.
Terry, what is that? I'm sorry, was that the same, that's the laminated flooring? It's in the living room, the same one? I didn't get that.
It's the same in the other bathroom. It's a little lighter than the hallway, if you can
Okay.
tell.
Okay, okay.
It's
But I'm
actually in the bathrooms is a vinyl.
Oh, that's a vinyl? Okay.
Yes, yes. Do we have any more questions on the inside of the home before we go to our lender?
No, I don't. I think I'm good on my side.
Okay, as we get ready here to chat with Debbie, if you have any questions regarding financing, or if you're interested in getting a recording of this video, please state so in the chat box. I'd like to introduce Debbie. She's a senior loan officer with Mason McDuffie Mortgage. She is my go-to lender and has been for years. She's very proactive, and I'm very happy and proud to introduce her today. Debbie Sunley.
Good morning. What a beautiful home. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I kind of wanted to start out with some facts about Solano County. Rents average as of this week for Solano County, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Average rent is $21.68. So as I throw some numbers out to you guys, I just kind of want to have you guys keep in mind that for a couple $100 more, you can actually own a home as opposed to paying somebody else's mortgage. So I just wanted to kind of throw that out there because rents go up about average of 8 to 10% per year. And when you own a home, you do a 30-year fixed mortgage, you know what your payment's going to be year after year. So kind of something to think about when you're thinking or you're on the fence about buying a home, especially one like this, because it's just a beautiful home and it's going to appreciate year after year. Right now, FHA, you'd be looking at putting $15,330 down. That would give you a payment of $26.41. Our veterans don't put any money down, and you're looking at a payment today on that. Your payment would be $23.90. We did introduce back Friday the Cal HFA program, which is no money down. It's a state bond program that helps folks that don't have any money saved and they need help with down payment assistance. Those payments, including the FHA, are around $26.50 per month. 3% conventional all the way up to 5, 10%, but I went with the lowest because I can throw a lot of different variations out, is $13,140. That would be the minimum down if you're a first-time home buyer. That would give you a payment of $26.20. So as an idea, just to give you an idea again, median home price or median rents is $2,168, and for about $300 to $400 more, you could be owning your own home. So it's definitely something to think about as rents go up 8 to 10% per year.
All right, well, thank you so much, Debbie. Do we have any questions for Debbie?
Oh, I had one more thing too, just to remind, and I know most folks know this too, is, you know, now that we're all living through the COVID rules and regulations, I just want to remind everybody that, you know, you do have to get pre-approved before you can actually see a home. So it's good to get all your paperwork together. If you're absolutely serious about looking at homes, make sure you contact a lender or call me and we can get you pre-approved.
Debbie,
Great.
could you repeat the monthly payment for a VA loan?
Absolutely. VA is $2,390. That includes taxes and insurance.
No, I am a realtor, but not the listing.
Oh, someone must be there with Terry. All right. Any more questions?
Yes,
As
this house looks so cute. Even the people walking by want to see it.
Oh, nice. Well, I want to thank everyone for coming. And again, here's our names and numbers. I hope you'll reach out to us if we can be of service to you.
I'm working all weekend. Give me a call.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.